What's the meaning of bazooka? Bazooka. Bazooka.
Bazooka. Bazooka. A bazooka is a shoulder-fired weapon used primarily for anti-tank purposes. It is typically a long tube with a rocket or missile inside, and requires the user to load and aim before firing. The term bazooka has become synonymous with any type of large, powerful weapon. It is often used metaphorically to describe a person or thing that is extremely impressive or powerful. The origin of the term is unclear, but it is believed to have been named after the musical instrument of the same name, due to the similar shape of the two objects. Overall, the term bazooka refers to a specific weapon, but has also come to represent power and strength in a broader sense.